Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. Today we are taking a look at the new Zephyrus Duo 15 from ROG. This is the latest, most powerful laptop in our lineup, and this comes with dual screen as referred in the name itself. As you can see from the design itself, it's a very slim laptop and a very unstated matte aluminum magnesium alloy chassis. So as you can see, as I lift the lid of the laptop, the secondary display moves up from the bottom and lifts itself up. This gives you an elevated position to see the display more clearly, and this also gives you less neck hurt. So that was the design of the laptop we talked about. It has a very understated tones to the design, and it's a magnesium alloy chassis going through. But what about the display? So you have two display options here. The main display you see on this laptop is a 4K panel. It will be 4K 100% Adobe RGB panel with Pantone validation, or you can get a 300 Hz 3 millisecond panel in 1080p resolution, which will also be a Pantone certified panel. As for the secondary screen, this is also this time a 100% sRGB panel. Now, unlike our ZenBook models, the first screen or the main screen is not touchscreen. Only the secondary screen is touchscreen, which supports stylus as well as finger touch gesture support. Now we talked about the display of the laptop. What about the keyboard? The keyboard you see is a very similar keyboard you will find on any other previous Zephyrus laptop, and you have the keyboard layout at the bottom. The top panel is still holding the cooling components as well as the display hinge. The bottom panel, as you see, has the enlarged spacebar. There is definitely spaces between the function keys to give you more appropriate typing experience, and you can have the numpad built into the touchpad directly here. What's more, you can call upon the Armoury Crate software directly by tapping this key, and this will open the Armoury Crate software on the keyboard. For your use case scenario, if you want to disable the secondary screen from some matter, you can disable it by pressing this button, and this will also enable it if you press it again. Also, the arrow keys can be reshuffled with page down, page up, home and delete keys by just pressing this button, and this will change the home and arrow keys to page down, page up. Now the coolest part about this laptop is the secondary display. See how it lights up. So the ScreenPad Plus gives you a lot more flexibility in terms of productivity, or if you're a gamer, a lot of flexibility in terms of adding more applications on the secondary screen and use them with your games. To help you more, we have built in an application system into the secondary screen. All you have to do is call it up from the middle of the left hand side, tap on it, and you will see that the brightness controls right built on the top. So you have brightness controls on the top. You can put all your quick menus selections from here. So any application can be put in this quick menu. For example, the Windows Explorer running in the bottom screen, and all you have to do to make it a shortcut is select on the top, double tap it. This will push the file to the main screen. This will pin it to the shortcut menu, and this will expand it across the two displays. So what we have to do is make it a shortcut, and we made it a shortcut. Add it to the launcher. So as you can see, as I mentioned, you can run multiple applications on the same screen, and you can add up to 3 applications running side by side. What's good is you can also use the quick swipe from the left, and you will see what applications are running on the second screen. To have a better approach at your multitasking, what you can do is tap your shortcut menu right here, and you can select this button and open all the applications which are running on your screen. You can also create app bundles. So let's say you want to have applications like Explorer, your browser, and your media player running side by side on the secondary screen. What you can do is go here and create a screenshot. So this is a grouping of tasks. You can add 2 tasks on the top screen and 3 tasks at the bottom screen. Now take a screenshot of this. It will select that these are the applications are running on the main screen, or will and 2 applications on the top and 3 applications at the bottom. That's the maximum limit. And take a screenshot, confirm. Now if you are trying to do is turn on all your new applications. So let's say I turn off all the applications here. Now all the applications turned off. You turn on the machine for the first time in the morning or something, and all you have to do is to bring all the applications back is go here, select the second option as we done, and it will restore all the applications which were there on the main screen. Now if you want to try a active stylus on your secondary screen, you can also do that. You can purchase a secondary active stylus from the market and use it with the secondary screen for drawing, for any other note taking or any other work. But the problem with that is that this keyboard is active. What to do? So what you do is you tap here, tap on this little icon. This is the keyboard on and off icon, and now the keyboard is completely locked, so it won't work. And now you can press your hand on your keyboard and draw very easily. So guys, we have already taken a look at the design and the secondary display of the machine, which are the key highlights of this laptop. But what powers this machine and why it is one of the most powerful laptops in our lineup? Let's take a deeper dive in the internals of the laptop. Inside the machine, you have 2 SSD slots, both of which can support 2 terabytes of SSDs, and there's a single RAM slot, 16 GB onboard memory. So 16 GB plus 16 GB, this is 32 gigabytes of storage, and you can further extend this up to 48 gigabytes with a 32 GB RAM stick. You get a massive 90 watt-hour battery. And what about the CPU and GPU? In terms of CPU and GPU, you have 2 options. First is the i7 8-core processor or the i9 8-core processor, both from the Intel 10th Gen lineup. And for the graphic cards, you have 2 graphic card options again. One is the RTX 2070 Supermax Q, and the second one is the RTX 2080 Supermax Q. Now, as you saw, the machine is quite capable. But what about the port selection? So let me just tell you about the ports. The machine has ports on the left, right, and the back side of the machine. Let us go and check out the ports. So on the right side, you will see 2 USB 3.0 ports and a Thunderbolt port. So this is the Type-C Thunderbolt port and the heat vent. On the left side, you have the power port, which connects to a 240 watt adapter, the dedicated microphone headphone jack, because this has an ESS saver DAC. And on the back side of the machine, you have all the major ports. So you have the LAN port, this is a gigabit LAN port, another USB 3.0 port, and an HDMI port. Below the deck, you will also find the cooling system, which is flanked by fans inside. So there are fans here which pull in air from the top and channel it through from here and through and put it out through the heat sinks. There are 4 heat sinks on the machine on either side of the laptop and 2 at the back. The intelligent cooling system in this machine, combined with the liquid metal cooling we have put this time around from in the 10th Gen laptops, this machine runs cooler, quieter, and gives you better performance overall. So guys, this is it from my side. This is a Zephyrus Duo 15, and we'll take a look at a new laptop in a new video.